Avery. Avery. Oh my goodness sakes, don't yell.
Mommy, Adam. Adam.
Adam's on the fridge? Who else?
Robots on fish.
Nuh-uh. Where?
What else? A fish.
Oh, they sure are.
These are fish.
Who is that?
I'm a fish.
Who is that? Adam. And who else?
Robots on fish.
Laura. You know they're coming to see you in a couple weeks?
My house.
Yeah, they're gonna come to your house and visit.
This is set.
Say, hi guys.
Hi guys.
Say, how's your new kitty?
That's Mama Kitty.
What's the kitty say?
Meow.
Do you think their kitty says meow?
Meow.
Yeah. Tell them, say, I love you, Laura and Adam.
I want to see bye-bye. See my house.
They're gonna come to our house in a couple weeks.
See my house, okay?
When school's out, they'll come over, okay?
See my house,
Okay, can you say, hi Aunt Julie,
Hi, Anthony.
and hi Uncle John?
Hey, Uncle John.
Okay, say, see you soon.
See you.
Say, bye-bye alligator.
See bye-bye.
After a while, crocodile.
Crocodile.
Crocodile.